Let's talk about math, specifically how the Learning Center can support your math learning. At the Learning Center, you can meet with math strategists, find lessons and examples of math topics on our website, and video all of those examples. You can work with a math tutor, you can follow us on math Instagram accounts, and we provide online workshops for your course. There are 4 math strategists at the Learning Center. You can book an appointment with any one of us based on our schedule on the online booking system. A math strategist can help you learn math online. So what does that mean? You might have a lot of video recordings of lectures. How can you effectively learn and understand the math from those lectures? More importantly, what else do you need to do to learn math? So there are going to be a lot of asynchronous learning, meaning learning math besides the viewing the online lecture. So how can you do that at home? What is a good way, an effective way to do that? And how can I set up a home environment to learn math, to deal with such things as distractions, right? Making an area where you can actually sit down and study, right? We can also discuss with you some of your struggles and obstacles that you're trying to overcome so that you can earn the grade that you want to get. So the math strategists have a few tips for you.
Hi, this is Emily from the Learning Center. Learning math is very similar to how you learn driving. Even though you think you understand how to drive, without practice, you won't be able to drive or become a good driver. Practice is a key. Practice makes progress, and the practice makes a successful semester.
Hi, it's Darcy from the Learning Center, and I'm here to share with you my #1 tip for math success this semester. It is previewing your lecture content before class even meets. So how you find out what you'll be studying next class is to go to your course outline and look at the topical outline section. Once you know what topics you'll be studying, check out those resources. Just take 20 to 40 minutes sometime in the day before your lecture so you can prepare for class. This strategy is shown to improve the memory retention of what you see in class, to lessen anxiety, and to also improve your ability to concentrate in long classes, which can be tough sometimes. So try it out and have an awesome semester.
Hi, my name is Matthew Chung, your math learning strategist. And the tip I have for you for learning math is getting stuck and making mistakes is a natural part of the math learning process. You actually want to get stuck and you want to make mistakes because that's gonna make you reflect and act upon it. It's like, how do I get unstuck? How do I correct that mistake? And those are very essential skills to learning mathematics.
Hi, this is Srishta Chopra, your math learning strategist from the Learning Center, and I'm here to tell you about one of the key math strategies that you can employ as a math student, which is actually trying to make connections of a topic with different math topics. For example, if you take fractions or ratios and proportions, if you're trying to understand that better, try to make it connect with prior knowledge, for example, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It helps you strengthen the understanding better. You can also make connections with the career path that you're choosing or the program that you're in and try to see where it's going to be useful, as well as to real life. For example, fractions can be seen while you're trying to cook or bake and things like that.
Let me show you how to access our math services. So you can access our services from your eCentennial course shell. So here's an example of your eCentennial course shell. If I scroll down on the right side, you can see the purple links to our Library and Learning Center services. For libraries, you can click here, Study Skills, and Math Help. So I'm going to take you through our Math Help services. If I click Math Help, you can see it leads you to our web page. The first thing we have is on the left side, you can see a bunch of sample lessons along with videos and practice questions. So for example, here is a example, a markup, either some definitions, some practice questions, a video taking you through an example, and practice questions with it. So if you ever need additional resources, you can come here and find the lesson. If your lesson is not there, you can request a lesson, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. So if the lesson is not there, I would just click this button, Math Topic Request, and it will allow you to request a lesson. You can also book a tutor. So when I book a tutor, it's going to take me to my, after logging in, it's going to allow you to book. If I go to my strategy schedule, you can book a math learning strategist or a study skills strategist. You can also book a specific time with a math tutor under the math drop-in schedule, but you can also book tutors for any of your courses under the schedule of your campus. The plan right now is to have tutors, but we are waiting confirmation of that. But once we do have this available, you will find their schedule in this WC Online service. You can also, back to our math page, click Ask a Question. So when I click Ask a Question, it's going to take you to our Discord server. So this Discord server is a place where you can just leave a math question, especially if you're just working on math and you have a question that you didn't want to make an appointment for, drop in and ask a question, and a strategist will connect with you and then discuss if we need to meet online or if we can answer the question directly. Other services include, in the same page, you can, if you need help using any of our services, here are a bunch of videos that provide step-by-step guides to user services. You can also learn some tips to learn online through self-regulation and understanding. But if you have a question, feel free to email a learning strategist.